Marami sila, almost 1,200 riders joined together for this amazing event. Chill ride lang kami. Wala nang waswas.
Love the ride, love the train, love the Philippines, daghang salamat, Negros!
Good morning guys, this is our another day here at Bacolod. Siyempre kasama natin si Maki lang sa galam.
On character ka na naman.
Ano ba meron tayo ngayon, brother?
Good morning, we are here in Negros.
Ano meron tayo?
Negros Loop.
Negros Loop, ready ka na?
Hindi pa. May linis pa ako ng, tignan mo yung helmet ko.
Ayan ah, Ano, Chris? Okay? Ready ka na? Yes, ready daw si Chris. And here is JC from WWR. First time sa mga loop yan.
Excited ako. First time.
First time. Ready to roll na?
Ready to roll, brother.
Marami sila dito. Ito, Lines Vlog here. Long time no see. Mataba-mataba na ngayon.
Natulog ka ba? Natulog ka ba? Hindi.
Tulog na.
Sana all. Dito wala mga tulog.
Tulog na to eh. Excited. Ikaw din, excited ka?
Yes, hindi ako nakatulog.
Excited sila. Good morning. Ready na? Ready na kayo lahat? Morning. Ready na ba kayo?
Okay, ready na.
Yun. Tingnan, hindi ito na endurance. This is a loop. They give us the tourist destination to go and check the places and taking picture. That is how the loop works here. Yan na boys, kasama natin si our idol. Ito bro. Thank you for organizing this kind of event.
Appreciate it.
What you can tell to our riders joining for today and tomorrow?
Bawal yung ganito. Bawal yung ganito. Ha?
Bawal ganito.
Dapat di nakakasakit ng motor. But anyway, my message to everyone, of course, ride safe, share the road. You know, we do not own the road. We're not from here. What we're trying to do here is we're trying to showcase whatever tourist destinations that the island can offer. Most specifically for Negros, because for next year, they will officially become Negros Island region. So we're hoping that all riders would stay safe, ride safe, and of course make sure that we're here to promote and we're not here to bring problem to the island. Nga po pala, pasensya na dun sa mga loopers na hindi na nakaparegister. Marami pang gustong sumali pero nilimit na po namin to 1,200.
Pero next year, unlimited yan. Hindayin nyo na lang next year.
It depends on how big the island or the region where we're traveling.
Okay.
Diba? Ganun.
So, David lang sa kalam. The Big Daddy. The Big Daddy is here.
Ay, sorry.
Sugar Daddy. Okay na yan. Big Sugar Daddy here. Yan.
Our last loop for the year, so we're hoping that this will be the best and safest ride that we will ever have for the year 2024 para matuloy-tuloy po natin ang ride natin for next year. Alright, so we're about to open up our program. Of course, we would like to call on no other than Kim. Father Kim.
Sana ang umagang ito ay pagpalain tayo po ay bigyan ng malakas na katawan ng tayo ay makarating doon sa ating mga destinasyon ng ligtas.
Magkita-kita tayo muli dito bukas para po mag-enjoy natin ang gusto ang Negros Island. So sa ating lahat, enjoy, be safe, lahat po tayo magsama-sama and enjoy Negros Island.
Tayo naman po ay gagala ngayon. Isipin lang natin na tayo po ay nasa vacation mode, no? Deserve natin mag-rest, deserve natin mag-chill. So, relax lang, enjoy the ride, and keep in mind guys na hindi lang po tayo yung gagamit ng highway. Marami pong mga locals na dadaan, so share the road lang, no?
Siyempre, bagong buhay na tayo. So ngayon, accurate tayo sa yung chill mode. No was mode. Everybody have to make sure na chill mode tayo. Wala tayong was, di ba? Oh, walang was. So,
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo dito and enjoy natin yung ride. Kami galing pa kami Manila, so tapos nag-practice kami kahapon sa Canlaon. Kulang pa. So another 800. Relax lang yung case, wala magunahan kasi babanggayin kayo nila pag masyadong yung bilis. So relax lang kayo. Enjoy natin, pakita natin yung mga magagandang destination.
Ano lang, let's all ride safe. Ang ganda ng Bacolod, ang ganda ng Negros. Don't miss out that very powerful, beautiful creation of God. So, no need to race. Let's be safe. Let's share the road with everyone. And yeah, keep in mind, tama yung sabi ni Sir Cesar, our main destination is always our home, where our families are waiting. So, looking forward to riding with you all. Let's enjoy.
One, love the ride, love the journey, love the Philippines. Daghang salamat, Negros!
Yana boys, everybody is getting ready. As you can see behind, all of them line up. So we are going to ride the loop with mga malupit. Yan. So marami sila, almost 1,200 riders joined together for this amazing, the event. So here is Trunks, Jet Li. Let's go. And here is our mayor from Surigao, Mayor Paulo. Reed is there, guys. You know, Reed is there with the bagong-bagong motor. Ayan. So mga iba, ayan. Let's go. Dito tayo sa first checkpoint. Yan na. Dumating na mga malupit, oh. So, hintayin natin si Maki and JC. Wala pa sila. So, hindi yung mga una, marami na dito. First checkpoint, first to arrive si Maki, and syempre kasama natin si Chris, and Jesse is here, and we are going to the next destination in few minutes. So let's gear up and let's do chill ride. Photo! Yan! Yan. This is our team. Tatlo of us. JC is here. Ayan. Tatlo lang kami. Chill ride lang kami. Wala nang waswas. We activate our chill ride mode. So we are just riding, cruising around all the place with the riders. We are meeting our followers, mga friends. So ganun. Chill ride lang. So we are going to the next destination is Cantoni. So I think 40 plus kilometers. That is the next place. Then I think 5 or 6 places actually we are going. Very nice talaga yung ano, yung loop na Loop PH. They actually organize very well everywhere. There is a marshals everywhere. There are the people to assist you. Sobrang solid. Hindi na kailangan ng ano, mga racing or waswas or kahit ano dito. Dito, chill ride lang. Enjoy your ride in one day. 400 kilometer going to the tourist places, nice places. You can really, you know, enjoy the beauty of the places where they actually put the, you know, the checkpoints. That is one of the best thing Philippine motorcycle tourism connected with you know, low PH they are doing. So solid yung mga lugar dito sa Negros. maraming lugar hindi ko rin yung punta dati. So ngayon, so mga side trip tayo. We will just try the, you know, the food and all the stuff here. So we three of us, we decide we will just do only chill rides. Wala nang hataw-hataw dito, because 2 days 800 kilometers, that is very easy ride for us. So we thought this is the time we will just enjoy, explore, enjoy, ride, enjoy, explore. That is our plan. So we actually did some of the route yesterday. We went to, you know, DSP and ikot kami na isang loop, maliit na loop, mga 250 kilometers. So they are very happy because they didn't been that place before. So I brought them there and they are happy. So we are just enjoying the ride. So you know, kita nyo mga marshal din. Yan mga idols natin. Marami sila dito sa kalsada. Marami ng tao na yun, kahit na yung sa looban, marami ng tao din ng mga hintay ng mga riders. Hello po, hello po. Maganda oh, solid. Ganda yung lugar oh. Ayan oh, mga bata oh. Oh, ayan oh. Hi Nay. Dami sila nang tayo. Guys, grabe yung organized nila. Lahat ng ito, almost 40 km, puro mga zigzag na you can see in my map. But every corner they put marshal to assist the riders, to make them slow down and not make, you know, accidents. So grabe talaga. Solid, almost 40 km we are on the zigzag, this area, and everywhere there is a marshal to guide you. So dito marami na mga tao dito. Ayan o. Oh, hello, hello po. Second destination, maraming tao dito. Puno-puno na. Ito yung lugar. Our second destination, ano ba kain mo? Ano yan?
Bicho.
Bicho? Oh, ayan oh. This area is here. Mga malipit oh. Una ba kayo? Tulin kayo ah. Oh, panis. Oh, hindi. Chill ride lang kami. Oh, ayan oh. Yan ang mga malipit oh. Oh, ayan oh.
Shout out to Waswas. Waswas kumain.
Kuya. Oh, sir. Pakita ko na lang sa kanila ano meron tayo dito. Oh, yun oh.
Kain.
Yun oh.
Ito ang kanilang Valencia.
Ano?
Pinaghanda po namin kayo dito sa aming bayan.
Ano?
Joke lang.
Bayan mo yan?
Hindi po, joke lang. Kain, ito ang kanilang mga specialty dito sa bayan ng Karton.
Oh, yun oh. Tingnan nyo ito. Solid oh. Ayan na, this is our finish our second destination. So now we are going to our third destination. Yan ang mayor natin yan, Mayor Wiz. So let's go. Puno-puno na yung tao dito. Yan na boys, this is our third destination. So park tayo somewhere. Yan, Martin Line Adventure. Yan, mga idols natin dito, marami sila. Hoy, thank you, thank you. Meron tayong sticker. Ay po, hello. Opo. Now we are going to our fourth word. This is wow, Sipalay Beach, as you seen in my drone. Maganda ito. So next is from 76 km from here. So doon na lang tayo ng lunch. So let's go boys. Maraming tao sa labas kahit na tingnan mo guys, 11 o'clock, init-init pa dito, pero they are just waiting for the riders. Yun ang province, sobrang happy talaga ng mga tao dito when they see the riders. They are very welcoming and very, you know, sobrang bait talaga sila sa province. Wala mang sabi. They're waiting for almost from 6 ngayon 11 na, init pa, pero they're still waiting. You know, chill ride lang tayo. We are riding 40, 60, 70, mga ganyan, para kasama natin ang mga small bike riders din. Kahit na sobrang malaki na motor natin, kasama natin ang mga small bike din, para ano, chill ride lang. So dito si Maki, gutom daw si Maki, you know, gutom na. Si Jesse is here, WWR. Oh yan na, patuloy kami, masaya ng ride. So mababack ride si Maki is Chris. Oh, puro gutom yan, maraming beses ka na kumain. So yan yung Alicia Cafe guys, you saw before. Very nice place, malamig lagi dito. Yung Sundays, marami na mga riders punta dito. You can see the road is so nice. So parang racetrack lang itong kalsada. Puro bangging dito. So we are almost in our fifth checkpoint. So on the way to, so I stop, so para si Maki and Jesse can see the nice place. So that actually we are doing the whole loop. We are doing the side trips, kain, chill ride, enjoying the best ride. So 2 more destination, then we will be check into the hotel, then tomorrow na. Our 5th destination, this is in Rizal Park. Sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hi, sir.
Jabdol. Sticker.
Wait lang, sir. Wait. Meron. Wait lang. Our last destination. boys, this is our last checkpoint for today. Baslay Highland Brew Coffee. So dito yung idol natin. Idol.
Yes,
So dito, ilan hectare ito? Sabi mo?
We have 120 hectares na coffee plantation.
Okay.
So, nandyan po yung mga coffee natin. Pero wala kang makikitang farm. Dahil hindi po ito farm talaga. Walang prescribed na spacing, walang height, walang distance. Kasi naka-integrate lang po siya sa forest.
Okay.
Kasi I wanted that coffee to go back to the forest where that coffee belong. Since in Ethiopia, in Yemen, in Java,
okay. Yeah,
and
yeah.
to the Philippines.
Okay. So, ilan mga tao dito trabaho dito sa iyo?
Sa cooperative, mayroon kaming 108 members
Oh,
so
nice.
far. Kasama na itong mga bata na nag-aral na sinuportahan ng coffee.
So, yung mga after ng process, mga coffee, anong pangalan ng coffee nyo?
Baslay Forest Coffee.
So, ito, export or dito
Local
lang?
po.
Local
Hindi natin
lang.
kaya yung pang-export.
So, lahat ng mga kita nyo doon, you will help to para sa mga bata.
Napunta sa community yung aming kooperatiba.
Yan, nice. Maganda.
Yes po.
Sana marami sila ng mga gawa ng katulad mo.
Yes po.
Para...
Pero mas matulungan kami dahil nandito ka. Ikaw ang
Hindi,
bida ngayon.
marami na mga kaibigan natin dito. Puno-puno na yung mga motor natin dito. Pangalan mo, brother?
Egan, aka Deep Breath Photography.
Deep?
Deep Breath Photography. Lola, nakita na ka ni Silent. What's up?
Yan na. Anong pangalan mo?
Ako po si JC Monopolio. Ako yung sketcher.
Okay. Nice to meet you, sir. Nice to meet you po. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Last destination for today. So, it was a nice ride for today and I will see you tomorrow for the second day loop. Good morning guys, this is our another day. We are here in Dumaguete. Siyempre, kasama natin our idol JM is here. You know, bagong-bagong Africa Twin. Congratulations. Idol natin yan ito. So, we are going to some restaurant and breakfast. Then our second day ride will start. So then we will go to some side trip here in Dumaguete. So let's roll. Guys, this is our second day. Negros Loop. And so we are just doing the side trips and we end up some of the place here in Dumaguete, Valencia. As you see in the drone, so right here the drone is there. Maganda yung market. So we are going to explore some food and stuff here in Valencia. Siyempre kasama natin itong tatlo. Makimoto lang sa kalam. And another Chris Moto is here. Yes. And Jesse is busy preparing his camera. And of course, kasama natin our idol JM. Ayan o. JM. Ito bro, every day ba yan itong market na yan?
Every Sunday lang.
Every Sunday? Every Sunday puno na yung dito. Food, lahat.
Lahat taga Dumaguete, punta dito.
Okay. Dali nila yung mga product nila, mga vegetables, fresh, everything, di ba?
So dati, until 6 to 9 lang sila. Kaso ang daming tao, so in-extend nila from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m.
So dito sa Dumaguete, this is Sundays. Pagturo ako sa iyo ha. So if ever you're new here, you ask me. Okay. Every Sunday they will bring all the stuff from all over the Dumaguete. Vegetables, food and all the stuff. Pati chicken. Gusto mo you want chicken? You want honey? So you know, honey. You have a honey?
Yes, I have honey.
You have a honey. Okay. Meron silang honey. Yan na, kasama natin, our idol, rider din yan. Bakit ayaw mo ride ngayon?
Wala, putol eh.
Putol? Hindi, broken lang, hindi putol. Ride ka, sabay, same tayo. Oh. Same ng kamay ng ano, may bakal ba, di ba? Oh, ito yung shop niya. Meron ka ng shop doon sa iba?
Yes.
Anong pangalan?
Bali, Gabis.
Gabis. Oh, pag dito kayo sa sa Dumaguete, pasyal kayo dito. Oh, yun ang mga pogi-pogi ng mga idols natin dito, oh. Lahat nila daw single. Yeah, boys, we just done on the Valencia market trip, and now we are going to the sulfur vents. That is one of the tourist attraction here in Dumaguete. The place is a mountain with a sulfur and very mabaho, smoky yan. So I went there with my wife 2 years ago, and I think you saw some of my video there. So nice place, something iba. And kasama natin si JM. As you seen one of my video, he is with me before. So now he got a new Africa Twin DCT. So he's the one is touring us around here, and you can see on behind me there is a Maki moto behind, and si Jesse is behind. So we are just doing the side tour. Kahit na gabi na yung mga finish line, okay na yan, as long as we are enjoying the Negros Loop. We just wanted to explore the place. Even I go to so many places, I still riding because I want to show to these two malupit na guys join with me for this loop. I thought this is the time I can show them around some of the place here. Nice yung lugar, oh, tingnan nyo. Solid, oh. Solid yung lugar. Siyempre, I am wearing the new HSC Alpha 12 Scoot game. Maganda. Alpha 12 is better than the Alpha 11 because no wind noise. Sobrang solid. Yung fitting, maganda. You know, you can see the smoke. Kunding ambon-ambon pa. Sana wala yan. So from here you can really smell. Sobrang baho. Sobrang baho ng ano, yung sulfur. Yun o, kita nyo. Yun yung sulfur vents, guys. Smoke ito. Ngayon maganda na, dati wala nang ganyan. You can even see sa down, pero this for safety. Sobrang solid, oh. Baho-baho ito yan dito. Pati dito sa baba may smoke din, nakita nyo. So ngayon they did a very good job. Maganda na ngayon, ah. Mga gawa nila na yung, di ba? Mas safe pa. Dati hindi ganun eh. Oh, dati dun eh. Oh. Oh, dati malapit yan eh. Tapos init pa, you can feel, di ba? Yan na, first checkpoint of our second day. So this is a resort. So we have to go inside. So let's go up. Morning! Ayan na, kasama natin our mayor. Oh, yun o, Makimoto and JC is here. So we reached one of the very nice resort. So ano meron tayo mayor dito?
Ang mayroon po namin dito, no, sa bayan namin ng Bindoy, Negros Oriental, mayroon tayong mga scuba diving, no? Mayroon tayong Mantali Prep. Ang daming mga pumunta dati, pero pag abot ng ng Odette, bagyong Odette ay
Sira na.
ina-close namin. Pero ngayon magbukas na kami ulit.
Kamusta nang after na yung Odette? Andun pa rin?
Oh, na.
Okay na?
Okay na. Tuloy-tuloy yung ang rehabilitation namin.
Okay.
At saka maliban doon, mayroon kaming Matahaw Lake.
Okay.
Matahaw Lake. Mayroon kaming falls, mag-aso falls, at mayroon kaming mga cave na pwedeng mapuntahan ng ating mga bisita.
Oh, sabi ni Mayor, siya daw bahala, papunta kayo dito. So mga Manila boys, set tayo ng ride. Punta tayo, meet natin si Mayor. Kasama natin ride. Kahit hindi ka marunong, ako angkas mo nila sa akin.
Marunong po ako.
Marunong, syempre, rider din mo to.
Kahit ka ba, pwede yun.
Yan o. Yan o, angkas ko na lang yan.
Ikaw yung may-ari yun.
Opo. Oh, yan. Thank you, Mera. Thank you for...
Parang para pagbalik nyo, masyado na akong marunong mag-drive. Ibilin mo lang sa akin ko. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Oh, yan. Yan, we done our first checkpoint of second day. Mabait yung mayor. Sobrang bait ng tao. Maganda yung lugar. Sobrang solid yung resort. Tapos yung lugar, grabe, solid yung lugar dito. Pag pasyal kayo dito sa Dumaguete, pasyal din kayo sa resort niya. Solid. Sobrang bait ng tao. Tapos ngayon, we are going to the second checkpoint. Pero before that, there is a place Maki want to eat some native chicken fry. So we will try that also. Dito kami sa Tayasan before we are reaching to the another destination. We just eat here in Nanay Linda's Chicken Corner. Original Tayasan Bisayang manok. Almost 50 years yata nang itong restaurant. Sobrang masarap. So marami sila na recommend pag new passing by Tayasan, you should try the native chicken. So what actually they do, the native chicken, parang they make it half cook of adobo, then they do the deep fry. So it's something iba. Sobrang masarap. Sobrang solid talaga ng yung kalsada. Kahit na province, fully concrete, wala nang lubak-lubak. Masarap mga drive dito. Tapos wala masyadong vehicles after the city. So you can really just cruise around all the place and see the view of this beautiful place. Maganda talaga ng gawa ng Loop PH. They choose the nice places. So the rider doesn't have to take so much risk. They can just chill ride and explore the maganda-magandang lugar. Solid talaga ng lugar na pass by kami dito. So maybe we will come back with so many riders in this route. The route is solid. Ang gawa nila ng best route, parang 360. Solid ng yung route na gawa nila. Maganda. O siyempre kasama natin sa likod natin si Makimoto and Jesse. They are enjoying the beautiful place. Tingnan mo ito, puro green talaga dito ng yung puro lugar. Yung may followers natin dyan. Kamusta sir?
Kita kayo sa vlog doon eh.
Kamusta ka na?
Lang po.
Taga dito ka?
Oo, taga dito po. Palagi po nakakita sa yung mga vlog.
Ano pangalan mo?
Fritz Amante.
Fritz here guys. Thank you. Thank you kuya.
Yes, Abdul.
Sige, bye-bye.
Ingat po, ingat po.
Bye-bye. Sige. I cannot stop all the places guys. Maybe next time when I come here, I will do all the place I can stop because may kasama ako ng dalawa because I don't want to just get bored because we are a team and they have to stop all the place and my back ride pa. So many places I stop but not all the place. Probably when I come next time with my wife, we can roam around all the place and meet you guys and give you stickers and pictures. Of course I love to meet all of you, so that is how I give back my thanks to you guys. Thank you po. Yun o, makimoto lang sa Kalam. Marami sila dito. Is our another destination. So di yung one of the destination. So as you see, that's a drone shot. That is our 8th checkpoint. Then we are going to our 9th checkpoint. Maganda yung resort doon. Sobrang solid. Marami ng resort na maganda dito because it's nearby the dagat. So solid talaga dito pagkapasyal kayo. If you can just move around and beach life. Maganda dito. Solid. Maganda rin yung kalsada. Tingnan nyo guys. Province yan ito, pero solid yung kalsada dito. O, tingnan nyo, ganda oh. Wala nang lubak-lubak, full concrete, and they even spend so much of money to make these roads very good. O, tingnan nyo, wide na wide oh. Solid yung kalsada. Tapos ito, dagat on the right side. Tayo sa one more checkpoint to go. So we are here in San Carlos. Maraming tao kahit na ulan no. So naman. Yun all the riders are almost here. And now one more checkpoint, then we are going to Bacolod. So maganda yung loop, kunding ulan. 3 beses ako na flat itong motor. Pagka flat na parang kotse talaga. Hindi kotse, grabe, hirap, parang truck. You cannot control the bike. Good thing these two of them are with me and they help me. So all good na. Sana abot tayo sa Manila. So yun. Dito I had a lunch this place before when I was doing my Philippine tour. I know this place. I came here with the Thunderbucks. So we had a makimoto lang sa Kalam. Wala dito. So let's ride to 62 more kilometer to go. So sana wala nang platan dito because I was checking some places for vulcanizing, but wala Sunday today is closed.
Hello, good evening po. Good evening, riders. Magandang gabi po, Senator TV.
Kamusta na experience?
Masaya po, nandito ang team.
Solid?
In behalf of
Kamusta na yung experience mo? Last to arrive with the off-road. With off-road. Mali yung ruta natin. Mali.
Sila Motorclade dun din dumaan.
Hindi, si JC na.
Ako na Negros 2009 Kaya ako po.
Ito, happy na kami.
Grabe to, ang dami pala nito. Gawin mo na kayong dalawang motor. Okay lang? Okay lang. Gusto niyo ba yan? Gusto niyo?
And the winner for the brand new CL500 from Honda and Wheeltech is no other than Roman Omotan! Is he here from Tumanhog, Cebu? Tumanhog, Cebu! And
Sige pa. Sige pa. Sige pa. Sige pa. Yan na, magaling na. Magaling na. Ito na nangyari. Ano sabi mo sa today's our trip?
Ang masabi ko lang, ikaw,
Kahit anong mangyari, hindi naiwan yan si Maki.
bago ka mag-ride, palit ka gulong.
Kahit na bagong gulong pa ako, ano gawin mo?
Bago ba yan?
Bago ba yan? 5,000 kilometer lang yan eh. JC. Ano sabi mo today's our trip? Enjoy ka?
Kompleto yung adventure.
Complete
With all the
adventure.
challenges.
3 beses flat.
Dati waswas ka, ngayon last to arrive ka ngayon.
Okay lang.
Okay
Last to
lang,
arrive.
last to
Last to arrive. Chris.
Yeah.
At least safe.
Sorry sa abala Pero enjoy ka?
Oh naman.
Yan, enjoy. Ito yung mga idol natin, sila yung mga ayos na mga gulong natin, Ito yung mga malupit, Pangalan mo, brother?
Yo, Panda, unknown poets represent sa City, yeah.
Rapper yan ito. Floji, pansin mo ito. Magaling ito.
Yeah, idol ka ng asawa ko, Flo G, yeah.
Yan. So, meron ka na mga singles na mga out na?
Ang dami kong kanta, sir, nasa YouTube, nasa Facebook.
Ano yung YouTube channel mo?
Unknown Poets Official, then Panda and Luis Official.
Yes.
Yan, sa amin ang asawa ko.
Yan. Follow nyo na lang
Sa
ito.
City represent, baby.
Yes. Ikaw, rapper ka?
Ha?
Rapper?
Rapper ako.
Rapper?
Flat pa
Ito yung our sticker distributor. Pangalan mo, brother?
Renato.
Renato, thank you for idol.
Shout out from the office of Congressman 3D Marañon.
Yes. Ito yung kasama natin. Anggas-anggas sa Goldwing yan.
Salamat sa Golden
Thank you for
Sa wakas,
helping.
nakasakay.
Yan na. Mga luto-luto na yung mga gulong natin dito, guys. Para sigurado daw. Ayan. So now we will ride to the finish line.